All right, John Deere G 2020. We've already installed the hardware. We've already got everything fit up here. The hardware installation is pretty self-explanatory. It goes back on the polycarbonate the same way it came off the glass. There is a few tips and tricks here to get it to fit perfectly. We have 3 bolts on the side here that hold the hinges on. Those are both adjustable up and down and left to right. So what we did is we latched the window, loosened these up a bit, and then adjusted it to get the window to fit exactly how we want to. There's one more point of adjustment. Right here in the latch, there's a 3/4 inch bolt back here that you can loosen up, and this also adjusts up, down, in, and out. We ended up adjusting it all the way down and all the way in. That way we get the tightest seal. With these, we just wiggled them around a little bit to make sure the window fit perfect. You got to make sure you have clearance over here. Make sure you have clearance up top, and make sure that the gasket is compressed all the way around the window. So when I shut the door, I get the good thud sound, and I can walk around and check the seal. If there's seal sticking out anywhere, a little bit more adjustments. If the striker isn't hitting the latch perfectly, you can adjust that side, and then that should get you to fit.
When do you adjust it? Before or after, or while the window's on it?
I put all the hardware on the window, put it on the hinges, tighten the hinges down completely. That way the window is no longer doing any movement, and then I make the adjustments.